Well, the lawyer for the survivors of the Marikana Massacre is live with us now. Andries Nkome, thank you so much for your time. Andries, just remind us what this case is about. Is it a civil claim?
We've got a case, yes, against the defenses that have been raised by President Ramaphosa, saying that his email was not incitement so far as causing the massacre was concerned. Now, what we have discovered is that the judge that's supposed to hear our matter is a shareholder in the company that we are against. And that being the case, we are going to be bringing an application for his recusal.
All right, and that's due to happen this morning. Is it in the Johannesburg High Court?
Correct, indeed, yes. We are expecting, the argument is going to be very simple. It's to the effect that there is no way in which a judge who is a part of the owners of the mine can preside in a matter that involves his own mine. So that being the case, we're looking for an impartial judge, and we're hoping that thereafter we'll be able to get somebody that confirms our submissions. That says the email that President Ramaphosa sent out on the 15th of August in 2012 was incitement.
All right. I mean, the case comes 9 years since the Marikana Massacre. How are your clients doing all these years later, especially when there'll probably be another postponement now?
It has been very difficult for our clients. You also understand that for bringing these matters up in front of courts, our clients have to crowdfund. So it really takes away from where there is nothing. And therefore, the extent of prejudice that they suffer as a result of this matter not being finalized is very, very extensive. And you would also understand that this matter has been in front of the judge's desk for about 5 weeks. And we only learned now, 48 hours ago, that the judge has got shares, which is something that we expected that would have been disclosed much, much earlier, and we would have been able to find another judge that can be impartial, then we can have this matter finalized.
If he does indeed have shares, Andries, may I ask how you found out?
The judge's registrar wrote to us and informed us that the judge has got about R250 million worth of shares in Sibanye. And the judge did not even make submissions to as whether that makes him impartial and therefore he is going to withdraw or recuse himself from the case. It is only as a result of our client's instructions, and you understand that we represent about 300 people. That says that for the fact that the judge has got shares in this company, if this company is ordered by the court to pay any money, it means the judge also indirectly is making that payment. And therefore, we don't expect him to be impartial. And it cannot be that this case is against the president of the country, is against one of the biggest mining houses in the country. It's also against the government of the Republic of South Africa. It cannot be that also in relation to the rest of the other very formidable opponents, we also have a judge in the midst.
Andries, last question. Why has this case taken so many years to come to court?
We filed for personal liability by Lonmin as well as by President Cyril Ramaphosa in 2015 already, just after the Parliament Commission. And they raised exceptions, they raised technicalities, they raised statements that says, one, they're not going to be issuing out an apology, and also that they don't think that the email that we say is the ultimate cause of the massacre was incitement. And they have then left it at that. They never proceeded to the matter. Until such time as our clients were saying, but it looks as if these parties are not serious about taking these exceptions of theirs before court for a court to make a decision. So our clients then started with the process of crowdfunding, and only now have we been able to approach the court, and the court assisted us the date.
All right, thank you so much. That case starts at 10 o'clock this morning. That was lawyer Andries Nkome.